Welcome back, faves. I'm so excited because you guys left me so many likes on the last video and you said you wanted the Halloween look. So here it is. This is a 1920s inspired flapper makeup makeover. I loved doing this transformation. It's so easy, you guys. So if you're looking for Halloween inspo, I got you. For my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I definitely recommend that you use a full coverage foundation for this look because you really want this makeup to last all night long, no matter how crazy your Halloween night gets. The Maybelline Superstay Under Eye Concealer, this is going to be your best friend for this look because it is a full coverage concealer. So I'm using this from under my eyes, but I'm also going to use this to block out my eyebrows because I'm going to dry them on a lot thinner later on in the look. And I'm using this to kind of blank out my lips as well. To contour, I decided to use the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Warm Olive. The reason I use this to contour is because I really like the color of this concealer. I think it's a really good contour color, but I have to say I did not like how it looked after wearing it for a few hours. It just got a little bit too oily, too greasy. It ended up looking a little bit blotchy. So for future reference, I will not be using this to contour. Now for my favorite part of the look, the eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow in the shade Risk Maker. This is a cream shadow that is pitch black, which is perfect for the smoky eye. And all I did was apply it with a concealer brush and really pack it onto my lid, and then take a blending brush and blend out the edges. That is it. That's all you need to do to get this smoky eye effect. These cream shadows are super easy to work with, but you have to work fast. You have to blend it out before it sets, because once it sets, it will not budge, which is perfect because you want this makeup to last all night. I'm taking that same tattoo eyeshadow and using it to line my lower lash line. I'm using that same concealer brush from earlier and just lining across my lower lash line. And then very gently, I'm taking a pointy pencil brush and just smudging out that liner. This is a Halloween look, so this does not need to be perfect, you guys. Just remember that. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Longwear Eyeliner. This is pretty much like a kohl pencil, but it's longwear, which means that it's gonna stay on. This is perfect for my waterline. I use this to really just black out my lower lash line, just so it's super black. I really wanted to add some color, so I'm using the Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow in the shade Knockout, which is this kind of like eggplant purple. I love this because using this over the black just looked so sultry and intense. I used it on my top lid and on the inner corner of my lower lash line, and this just made my eyes pop. I finished off the eyes with the Maybelline Falsies Mascara. This is great for giving you full volume lashes, and if you want, you can throw on a pair of falsies. I think I threw on some eyelure lashes, I can't recall, but that's definitely optional. And then the last thing for the eyes, I wanted a little pop, so I used the Color Tattoo eyeshadow in Chill Girl, which is bright white frosty shade. This looked so pretty on with all of those other dark smoky colors. This is another really fun part of the look, the brows. I used the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in medium brown, and because we already blocked out our eyebrows with the concealer earlier, this made this part so easy. So 1920s flapper, they were all about super skinny brows. So I wanted to really exaggerate that by using this brow pencil, and that's why we blocked out our brows. So it just makes it look like our brows are super thin and super long, which totally adds to the look. This lip was everything. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Composer. These matte ink Superstay liquid lipsticks, you guys, do not come off. Once this is on and it sets, it will not come off unless you use makeup remover, which is amazing for a look like this because then you don't have to worry about this look going anywhere. If you eat, if you drink, it is staying on, I promise. This color just looked so vampy already, and it was just the perfect little touch for this look. Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. This is gonna help your makeup last all night. It's a 16-hour matte finish. Final touches for my costume. I got a pair of silk black gloves. I got this flapper dress from the costume store. It came with the pearls, which was perfect. And then separately, I got this headpiece. This is what everybody wore back in the day. It's like this headband with the feather in it. Basically for my hair, I curled it and then just pinned it up to make it look like it was short. I also got a black boa to just add to the look. And that was pretty much it for the costume part. Brings this whole flapper look together. Perfect for Halloween, so easy to do, and you guys could easily pull this look together with any of the items you have either lying around at home or from your local costume dollar store. I had so much fun doing this. Hit subscribe if you're new to my channel. Add me on Instagram at Eman. Make sure you leave me a comment below. You guys were so great on my last video, getting that video to almost 3,000 likes, and I promised you a giveaway, so I'm doing the giveaway for the Maybelline mascara, the Falsies mascara, which is so good, and the setting spray. All you have to do is leave me a comment below letting me know either what you plan on doing for Halloween, whether it's staying home or going out, or what your costume is. If you've seen one of my Halloween looks and one of your favorite looks, let me know as well. I'm going to announce 3 winners in my next video in the description box, and I'll also include it in the description box of this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial very soon.